Garlic is known to be a magical herb that can do wonders for lifelong. It has been used as a medicine from ancient times for various types of ailments. Garlic has been used as an antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal natural medicine. It may help the body to resist or destroy viruses and other microorganisms by enhancing or boosting the function of the immune system. Recently, there has been great speculation about garlic tea and the various benefits it offers. Just like any other herbal tonic, garlic tea is also a powerful tonic. Preparing this warm tea is not so hard to work, and it can be prepared in just 5 minutes. We simply need a few garlic cloves, lemon, and natural honey. How to prepare garlic tea at home. Step 1. In a saucepan, bring 1 liter of water and the 3 to 4 cloves of crushed garlic to a boil. For 2 minutes, turn off the heat. Step 2. Add 200 milliliters of the honey and 150 milliliters of the fresh lemon juice. Step 3. Strain the tea and drink. Health benefits of drinking garlic tea. Garlic tea is a great way to boost your health, especially if you're drinking it on a regular basis. Even though it may not sound like the most delicious beverage, it's loaded with vitamins A, B, and C, antioxidants, fiber, manganese, and sulfur. Garlic tea is caffeine-free, which is very effective for weight loss. It improves the immune system, prevents and treats cancer, boosts energy, defends infections, reduce cholesterol level, lower blood pressure, treat vaginal yeast infections, relieves and cures mouth ulcers, improves exercise performance, treats stomach cancers. Garlic tea side effects. According to the National Institutes of Health, garlic is probably safe for most people in typical amounts. Common side effects of consuming garlic include bad breath and body odor, heartburn, and upset stomach. It is possible that some people are allergic to garlic and will experience mild to severe symptoms. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. If you want more natural medicine and tips, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Stay safe.